Welcome to our channel. If you've recently encountered the error message, failed to verify identity, on PrizePicks, you're not alone. This can happen for various reasons, but don't worry. We're here to walk you through 5 effective solutions to fix the issue and get you back to playing. 1. Double-check your information. The most common cause of the failed to verify identity error is entering incorrect or incomplete information during the verification process. Make sure that the personal details you've provided match exactly with what's on file with your official documents. This includes full name, as shown on your ID, date of birth, address, last 4 digits of your social security number, if required. Double-check that everything is typed correctly, especially if it's auto-filled. 2. Ensure proper photo ID submission. PrizePicks may ask you to upload a government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, for verification. If the image quality is poor or unclear, your verification may fail. To avoid this, make sure the photo is clear, well-lit, and all text is legible. Avoid any obstructions or glare on the ID. Ensure the entire ID is visible, front and back if required. If the upload option allows you to crop or adjust, do so to ensure all the required details are visible. 3. Use a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue could be with the browser or device you're using. If PrizePicks is having trouble processing your verification through a specific browser, try switching. Use Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. These tend to work well with verification processes. Try using a different device, e.g., switch from mobile to desktop or vice versa. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. A fresh browser or device might solve any compatibility issues. 4. Clear cache and cookies. Your browser's cache and cookies might store outdated information, which could cause problems during the identity verification process. To clear your cache and cookies, go to your browser settings. Look for privacy or history options. Clear browsing data, making sure to select cache and cookies. After clearing, restart the browser and attempt the verification again. This will ensure that there are no conflicting or outdated files causing issues with the verification process. 5. Contact PrizePicks support. If none of the above solutions work, it's time to reach out to PrizePicks customer support for assistance. They may be able to manually verify your identity or guide you through troubleshooting steps tailored to your account. You can contact them via the support section on their website or app, their official email or chat support feature. Sometimes, the issue may be account-specific or related to a temporary glitch that they can fix on their end. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to verify identity error on PrizePicks and get back to enjoying your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips.